Hello, I'm Sylvia, and for today's topic, I'll be telling you how to take good care of your skin so that you don't have to spend so much on skincare products that are unnecessary, and so that when you also purchase these skincare products, they'll work hand in hand and effortlessly for you. So, if this sounds like something you want to hear, make sure you stick around and watch this video to the very end, as I'm going to be dropping 5 very important tips, and you do not want to miss any of this. So, for the very first tip, yes, stay hydrated. Drink lots and lots of water. Water has so many benefits to the body and to the skin. It helps to flush out toxins that are released during metabolic activities like digestion, reduces the dryness and the flakiness of the skin, and it also helps to improve the skin's elasticity. This was honestly something I didn't know. It was a habit I had to learn, I had to inculcate, and you can do this too. And water is also readily available and it's cheap. So do yourself a favor, drink more water, drink enough water, and it is going to be very beneficial to you, and your skin is going to thank you for it, and you also love the benefit and the outcome. For the second tip, consume a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. This was also something I didn't know about. I didn't really know the benefits of fruits and vegetables to the skin. I just ate fruits and vegetables once in a while, where probably I was handed a fruit. Maybe I saw a fruit at home, I would just pick it up and eat. I didn't know that I had to learn to inculcate the habit of walking down the street, going out to a store, buying fruits and consuming them, because they are actually very beneficial and they are supposed to be taken in your diet. So it was something I had to learn, and it has been of immense benefit to me. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, and they help to get rid of free radicals that are produced in the skin during metabolic activities. These free radicals cause inflammation, premature aging, and the antioxidants, which are also formulated in serums, can also be readily be gotten in your fruits, which are also way cheaper. Consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables will also give you the same benefits, and they'll also help to take good care of your skin from within, so that when you also decide to incorporate a serum into your routine, probably a vitamin C serum, it will also help you achieve a better result, so you don't have to spend so much on skincare products and you keep complaining that these products are not working. For the very third tip, this is actually something that is supposed to be easy, but probably due to the situations and the circumstances we find ourselves, we are not able to get adequate and enough sleep every day. From research, we're supposed to be sleeping at least 7 to 9 hours daily. It has so many benefits to the body and to the skin too. Taking your sleeping when you're supposed to, is very, very beneficial to your skin. Paler and drier skin, dark eye circle, these are all side effects of not having adequate sleep every day. So sleep helps to improve your cellular growth and function. That is, it helps to take off those dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, but also regenerate new skin cells, helping to reveal a more healthy and brighter skin. So sleep is very, very beneficial. It also helps in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a very, very important protein. It's formulated in serum. I've seen collagen serum, yes, and it's also very, very important to the body and to your skin, for your skin's texture. And proper sleep will allow synthesis of this collagen in the body. There are just so many benefits of sleep today, so take out time to sleep, because sleep is very, very beneficial to your body. This sounds very funny, and it's not easy for someone that is a student like me, but now that I know the benefits of sleep, it has also helped me to save myself from buying skincare products that were very, very unnecessary, when the only solution and the result to the issues I had back then was to sleep. So do yourself a favor today, get enough sleep, and your skin is definitely going to thank you for it. For the very fourth tip, that is stress reduction. Many a times, due to the circumstances we find ourselves and the overwhelming things we have to do, we end up stressing ourselves out a lot, and this is definitely going to show on your skin, because once you are stressed, it's definitely going to be evident on your skin. Signs like premature aging, wrinkles on the skin, these are all side effects of stress. Like, yeah, you cannot cheat nature. Wrinkles will definitely come when it's time to, but there's this kind of premature aging that comes with stress. And if you don't want this to be your story, take out time to rest, get enough rest. Don't stress yourself out. And when you are stressed, a hormone is released called cortisol, and cortisol causes the brain to release oil from your sebaceous glands. Yes, your sebaceous glands are found on the surface of your skin, and they are secretory. They secrete sebum, and it could lead to excess secretion of this sebum, which could end up clogging your pores, causing acne. So this is one of the ways to combat acne. Make sure you're getting enough rest so that you don't just go out there and get acne-free face cleansers and then probably they are not working, and you just keep complaining, oh, these products are not working for me. Meanwhile, you could also do what I've just said, and they could work hand in hand to help you achieve a better result. So for the fifth and the last tip, that is exercise. Exercise is so beneficial to the body. It has so many benefits to the body. And for the skin, it helps to improve blood flow to the cells of the skin, to help nourish the cells of the skin. Yes, the blood is what carries the nutrients to the cells of the skin. So improved blood flow means improved supply of these nutrients to the cells of your skin, which will help your skin look better. This also helps to improve collagen production. It improves the texture of your skin, and it also helps to improve your skin's elasticity. There are so many important benefits of exercise to your skin. So if you've been thinking of starting that workout, I think this is a very good reason for you to start that workout today. Start moving your body. Exercise is so beneficial to the body. So if you've come to this point of this video, don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to read all your comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me things that could help to take good care of your skin from within, so that you don't have to spend so much on unnecessary skincare. And when you also get these skincare products, they will work effortlessly and they work hand in hand for you. See you next time for more amazing tips.